Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to rearrange your profile grid on Instagram. So once you're here on Instagram, on your profile page, what you simply need to do is to tap and hold on any of the photos, preferably what you want to rearrange. So tap and hold on it, and this is the last post. So once you tap and hold on it, you'll see among the options, Reorder Grid. So if you tap on Reorder Grid, it's going to take you to a new page where you can actually make some rearrangements. So if we want to relocate the last post, we just simply need to tap and hold on it and drag it to another area. And there you have it. So once it's done, all you need to do is to tap on the back button at the top left corner. You can tap undo if you'd like to make adjustments, but if this is what you want and you've made some adjustments just as we showed you, you can simply tap on the back button and there you can see that we've made a rearrangement on our profile grid. Go ahead and repeat this process for other images according to your preference.